Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. In a cycle, does the net work always equal to 0? And under what conditions for which type of system would this statement hold true? So, in a cycle process, no, the network is not always 0. So where would this be the case? In an adiabatic system. Alright, before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Go to your taskbar, click on the icon. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Once it's open, click on video, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Since it's a made-up question, your friends probably won't be able to find it, so do share it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.